Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own lobby on the Dota 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Dota 2 game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the home page. Now, if you wish to create your own custom lobby, go ahead and click on Arcade at the top section. And now you will see various different active games at the left. And at the right side, you will also see various different local lobbies. Now, alongside the local lobbies, you will see the Create Custom Lobby option. Go ahead and click on it, and this will now open up the Create Lobby page. Click on the drop-down menu and choose your game mode, as well as the map. You may manually choose your server location or set it to best available. Then enter a description for your lobby, and you can set up a password for your lobby if you wish as well. You also have the option to enable cheats, as well as all chat functions. And once you are done, you can click on the Create button. After your lobby has been created, you can start inviting players to this lobby and begin to enjoy your games right away. Other players will also be able to locate your lobby within the lobby list, and they can also search for your lobby using the search lobby function. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to create your own lobby on the Dota 2 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.